Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Make.com for LinkedIn content automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your web browser. Navigate to the Make.com website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once registered, log into your Make.com account. In the dashboard, locate the search bar. Type LinkedIn into the search bar. Select LinkedIn from the list of available apps. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. You will now see a blank workspace where you can design your automation. Drag and drop the LinkedIn icon into your workspace. A setup window will appear, prompting you to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on that Add button to create a new connection. You will be redirected to LinkedIn to authorize Make.com. Log into your LinkedIn account if prompted. Grant the necessary permissions for Make.com to access your LinkedIn profile. Return to Make.com, where your LinkedIn account is now connected. Select the type of action you want to automate, such as posting content. Fill in the required fields, including your content and any tags. You can add additional modules to your scenario for further automation. Once your scenario is complete, click on the Save button. To test your scenario, click on the Run Once button. Monitor the execution to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If everything works, activate your scenario by switching on the toggle at the bottom. Your LinkedIn content automation is now set up and ready to go. You can return to your dashboard to view your scenarios and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.